Hi, welcome to B20 Key. In this video, we are going to learn about SDLC and whatever the different phases we are having in SDLC, we'll be learning about. Let's get started. SDLC is nothing but software development life cycle. There are a lot of phases of SDLC, which are requirement, then feasibility study, design, coding or development, then testing, deployment and maintenance. Alright. So software development lifecycle is a step-by-step procedure to develop a software. Okay. What is SDLC? This is nothing but the software development lifecycle, which is step-by-step procedure to develop a software. Alright. It will be starting from whatever the phases I have said. So it will be like requirement collection, feasibility study, etc. till maintenance. This will be the different phases, and one by one, step by step, if you will be doing, then you can develop a software properly. Alright. So let's see individual phases. First one is requirement collection. In this phase, we collect the business need of customer in the form of requirement document. Alright. Who exactly usually collects all these business need of the customer? Generally, in the company, business analyst or product analyst, they used to go for the business need of the customer, and they collects the requirement in the form of requirement document. Alright. Then in our company, we used to do the feasibility study. The next step is, or next phase is, feasibility study. In this phase, a set of team sits and analyze if the project is doable or not. That means the team, from different department, they used to discuss whether this project is doable or not. For discussing, they are having some aspects like it depends upon the cost, how many cost it will be taking, or it can say like how much time it will take, how many resources needed, what kind of technology we can use. So all these things they are discussing. So from different departments like cost and time, so it will be handled by the finance department. So finance department should be there. Resource, that will be handled by the HR team. So HR department should be there. And technology, so some architect should be there for taking the decision. And definitely there should be the business analyst and project manager should be available in that discussion. So they all together, they used to discuss whether this project is doable or not, whether we can do and complete this project or not. Alright. If in that case, if they will feel that if the result is like we can do this project, then only we can go for the next phase. So next phase is nothing but the design phase. Design is like it is a document which represents the blueprint of the application. Alright. So there will be two different designs. First one is high level design and then lower level design. Alright. And then we'll be having development, or you can say coding. So usually who are the responsible person for development or coding? So I can say the developers will be the responsible person for developing the application by using some codes. Once design is ready, the developer starts writing the code by using some programming languages. Alright. Once code is done, then we'll be having our testing phase. In this testing phase, once the application is developed and once the application is developed, the test engineers starts checking the functionality of the application, whether it works according to the customer's requirement or not. Right? During this testing process, we may face some bugs that needs to be reported to the developers. All right. So whatever the bugs, whatever the issues will be fine. So we used to report to the developers. All right. The developers fixes the bugs and hand it over to the test engineers once again, to the test engineers for retesting all those bugs. All right. This process continues until the application is completely bug free or stable, or you can say works according to the customer's requirement. All right. So once this process is completed, this phase is completed, that means we got the bug free application, as well as you can say the application is working as per the customer's requirement. So after that, we can do the installation, or you can say rollout, or you can say deployment. Once the software is developed, tested, and works according to the requirement, it will be deployed at the customer's place, which is known as installation or rollout. All right. Customer's place means you can say it is production environment. All right. No need to be worried about it. I'm going to tell you in my some next video that what exactly is production environment. All right. So next phase is maintenance. When customer starts using the software, they may face some issues which needs to be fixed and tested. All right. So once that will be given back, so we need to do the fixing and we need to do the testing, and then we can give it to back to the customer as soon as possible, which is done in the maintenance phase. All right. So this is all about SDLC, which is nothing but software development lifecycle. So here in this process, we can complete the software application, and we can develop the software application, and we can easily roll out to the customer. All right. So this is the entire end-to-end flow of the SDLC process. All right. I hope this video is really helpful for you, and if you feel the same, please like, comment, share, and please do not forget to press the bell icon to subscribe my channel, so that you will be getting updated with my new videos. Thank you.